Lomi na Father's Day celebrate Kingabarina. Hantina Kabla Deleloho. Dear Dad, I love you because you always work hard to give me everything I need and want for, and putting my needs before your needs. John 1 verse 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God.
Thank you, Dad, for helping me fixing my stuff.
Amen.
Lord, I will praise you because you have saved me from death. You have not let my enemies laugh at me.
Dad, I really on the level when I say I love you, and I love you because you always let us play Bible verses. Psalm 23 verse 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. He makes me lie down in the green pastures. He leads me beside the quiet water. He restores my soul. He guides me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall not fear no evil, for he is with me. Your rod and your staff comfort me. You prepare a table before me of the presence of my enemies. You anoint me with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I'll dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Dad, I love you because you are very nice and loving, and I'm really grateful for you. Psalm 73:26. Even if my flesh and my heart fails, God is the strength of my heart and proportion of forever.
Thank you, Dad, for helping me with everything. Isaiah 46. Remember the former things of old, for I am God and there's no other. I am God and there's none like me.
Thank you, Dad, for trying to touch my hair. John 15:4. Jesus said unto him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father but by me.
Me and my dad, we went to a donut shop, and John 41, don't be afraid because God will be with you.
Thank Dad for taking me to pool and church. Fight the goodness.
Rejoice in the Lord always, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice in the Lord always, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice in the Lord always, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice in the Lord always, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, everybody sing this song with me. Rejoice, rejoice, and again I say rejoice. ክብሪ ሞገስ ሞገስ ንጎይታ ኢየሱስ ሞገስ ንጎይታ ኢየሱስ ሞገስ ክብሪ ንአምላኽ ሰማይ ክብሪ ንአምላኽ ሰማይ ክብሪ ሞገስ ሞገስ ንጎይታ ኢየሱስ ሞገስ ንጎይታ ኢየሱስ ሞገስ ክብሪ ንአምላኽ ሰማይ ክብሪ ንአምላኽ ሰማይ ክብሪ ሞገስ ሞገስ ንጎይታ ኢየሱስ ሞገስ ንጎይታ ኢየሱስ ሞገስ ክብሪ ንአምላኽ ሰማይ ክብሪ ንአምላኽ ሰማይ ክብሪ ሞገስ ሞገስ ንጎይታ ኢየሱስ ሞገስ ንጎይታ ኢየሱስ ሞገስ Happy Father's Day!
Thank you guys. የዳውና ዘርጊሕና እስከንባርኩ ጌታ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ ምስቶም ፈሪሳውያን ቃል ከካፍሎም ከሎ እንዳመሃሮም ከሎ ሲንታይሉ ህፃውንቲ ክመፁ ከሎም ሲ ያይቱ ኢሎም ሰጊጎም ነሮም ሕደግዎም ናባ ይምፁ መንግስተ ሰማያት ከምዞም ዓነት ህፃውንቲ እዮም ደኣትዋ ኢሎም እኔ ስኻትኩምን ከምቶም ህፃውንቲ ክትኮኑ ኢሉ የእምሮም ክፉት ክኸውን እግዚአብሔር አምላኽ ንጽልይ ኣለና ካብዛ ዓለም ሓሳብ አውጪካስ እግዚአብሔር አምላኽ ናብታ ሓሳብ ካኸተእትዎም እግዚአብሔር አቦዬ ንጽልይ ኣለና ብጥበብ ካኸተዕብዮም እግዚአብሔር አምላኽ ሞገስ ካብአቶም ክግለጽ ምእንታን ንክብረ ኻደው ከተብሎም እግዚአብሔር አቦዬ በቃል ካንዳኸትኮሶ ከዓብዩ ምእንታን በዚ ሰዓት እግዚአብሔር አቦዬ የዳውና ዘርጊሕና ንጽልይ ኣለና ኩሉ ጸጋ እግዚአብሔር አቦዬ ካባኻ ደኾነ አብአቶም ይብዛሕ እግዚአብሔር አምላኽ ንባረክዎም ኣለና ካብቲ ካብ ሰማይ ደኾነና ካበረኸት ናብአቶም ንባረኽ ኣለና እግዚአብሔር አምላኽ ስለስምካ ክትብል እግዚአብሔር አቦዬ በኩሉ ነገር ክትባረኹም ንስድሮም ድማ ዘድልዮም ደበለ ሁሉ ከተማላአሎም እግዚአብሔር አቦዬ ካብ ቤትካ እንዳተመገቡ ከዓብዩ ምእንታን ከይወፁ ምእንታን ሓለውኻ ድማ ክበዝሕ ጽልይ ኣለኹ ስለ ሁሉ ነገር ክብር ንዓኻ ይኹን ብጎይታ በኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ ስም አሜን ተባረኹ ተባረኹ ፈቶኩም ኢና we love you guys